the astrophysics, astrobiology, astrochemistry, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you are in astrophysics.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what do you like expertise? What's your expertise? Like FR.
My expertise is video astronomy plus FRB science plus pulsar science. All those things they come under video astronomy.
So what is the full form of FR?
Fast video version. Fast video.
You told us that within 5 minutes you observe two signals. So what
Yes.
Ah.
Sir,
It is about finding life on other planets or other planets. Astrochemistry is about studying the chemical composition of various stars
and planets and physics.
Yeah. So actually, one day I was there on my setup on the PC and I was observing the telescope.
two horizontal sequences.
Vertical, no horizontal, vertical.
Horizontal.
So we do not also need should
Nah.
Is it the 120
So FRB's fast radio bursts are actually huge explosions happening on stars, on neutron stars, magnetas, black holes, etc. Okay. So most of those explosions they happen only one time, one of explosions. They happen two. That's it. Okay. That's it. Yes. Now, during the explosion, the energy is sent out in the radio frequency, and that energy we call it as FRBs. Okay. So around 3,000 or more than that FRBs have been discovered, but out of that only around 200 are known to happen again and again. Okay. So when I was in the setup one day, I saw that from the same region in the sky, I was observing two bursts came separated by a distance of around 5 meters. Okay, from that same region. Okay. So what happened? According to us, what happened was there might be a very large explosion. That explosion was followed by another explosion. Okay, another small explosion of something, of maybe a magnetar or a neutron star or a blazar or a pulsar. Okay. So yeah, discovering those things which happen again and again, it is quite rare as compared to FRBs. Yesterday only I have repeated around 4 or 5 FRBs just like that. It is so common. Those explosions they come from everywhere in the space because there are billions, trillions of stars everywhere.
The explosion happens like 5 minutes ago, when the light reaches.
That explosion happened once, I got that signal once. Again, a secondary explosion might have happened, and that signal came to me after 5 minutes. Okay, understood? Yes.
So is it said to have like more than one explosion happens for a single case?
Yes, it is rare. That is why I told around 4,000 FRBs, one time FRB has been discovered, but not more than 200 of them are.
So what is like the most popular FRB which all the astrophysicists talk about?
So there was this FRB actually, my guide and one of his colleagues.
So you know the person from there?
I know her, but I have talked to her once. Yes. So her name was Laura Spindler. She's in Germany now. So she and my guide, they were both colleagues in China many years ago, 5 years ago. And they were making the software for the China, software the hardware part. But at that same time, they used a radio telescope, not China. A different radio telescope, not China exactly. So both of these guys, Laura Spindler and my guy Dr. Tendulkar, they found an FRB that was known to repeat after every 3 months. Yes. So that FRB is one of the most famous FRBs in our field. It happened in the month of 2000. I think so. It was 12. I think so. I think so.
How possible to happen?
That thing only, that part of the sky, that region is sending out explosions after every 3 months.
So how is it possible?
So we still don't know exactly. Maybe there is one magnetar or a pulsar or a neutron star that is undergoing some periodic activity after every 3 months. That periodic
On the same
activity,
day?
not exactly on the same day, but after after approximately 3 months.
So sir, at the same direction with the same sky, you
Yes.
can observe that
Yes.
signal after 3 months.
Yes, exactly. So in that same kind of sky, these guys they have observed those FRBs, and till date that explosions come on happening after every 3 months, 3.5 months. But it comes.
And the same signal you also find like once you saw the same direction after 5 minutes.
But
same
that was
signal
not
at
that FRB. That was not that FRB.
FRB.
I am officially credited by finding that FRB I told you that came after 5 minutes for the first time. Okay.
So
In that same Laura's paper and my guide are credited to find that FRB, that FRB I told you about, that FRB that is coming after every 3 months. Okay.
Sir, what is the shortest time when this WMR was started? You saw that the duration was 5 minutes. What is the shortest time?
Milliseconds.
Milliseconds?
Yes. That also I have discovered. I have discovered. I think so. You will see that thing on my webpage. If you see on my website, I will send my link on the website. I have uploaded that thing. So there was one big explosion. After just few milliseconds, one more explosion happened. Yes, they are different things. They are not a sun. They are magnetars, neutron stars. They are the most energetic objects in the universe after black holes. Okay. So over there things can happen.